side, I have our Chardonnay. Our Chardonnay is oaked for about 8 months in French and American oak barrels. Then it goes for a stamp named after the founder of the stamp. This is the style of Riesling that he liked. And in honor of Monty, every dollar from a bottle of the full Monty goes into a fund for students who want to go to horticulture school. I have our dry Riesling. This is in the second of the lineup of the Rieslings. As I said, the full Monty was the sweetest. This is the second driest. Crisp, refreshing, kind of some lime zest action going on, some mineral characteristics. Wonderful to use for a marinade for seafood. They could grill and then have it on the side. Oh, cute. A Cordell, apricot-y, peachy. This is just a nice everyday table white. Semi-sweet. A blend of the Cuba White and the Vidal Blanc. Comes in a Magnum. Wonderful to have at your house all the time. If that's your jam. Tabas are a native to our region. The grape itself is very sweet tart, similar to that of lemonade. Ours is carbonated. This is peppery, not a lot of tannins, red. I really appreciate that upstate New York reds are light on your tongue, so it's a red wine that you can easily drink on warmer days. You can pair it with different foods, and people always think steak, but because it's lighter, you can pair it with things like salmon, grilled pork. That's when I started making all that fake meat, you know, because they knew, yeah, you're not going to get real meat no more. This is Niagara, totally self-explanatory. Welch's white grape juice for grown-ups. We to that and come back. So this is our long stem red. This is a Beaujolais style red, a blend of 6 different French and American varietals. Very similar to the long stem white, just a nice easy sipper table red. Again, very economically attainable. Great to keep in your pantry for any recipe that calls for red wine because it's got such a nice neutral flavor. On the sweet side, we have Abbey Rose. This has been our biggest seller for over 30 years. It is a blend of Concord, Delaware, and Ives. Very light, fruity, fun, easy, sippable, chilled red. Named after the winemaker's daughter, Abby.